Apart from the 15,000 crore rupees set aside for state-owned banks in the budget, the government also plans to set up a holding company to raise funds and capitalize PSU banks.
Now, but given the huge fund requirements posed by the sector, it could be a task that's easier said than done. Anirudh Ghosh and Simran Gill with this report.
Enhanced capital requirement norms and demands of a growing economy have resulted in an unprecedented fund requirement for the banking system. Industry estimates suggest the banking sector needs close to 1.5 lakh crore rupees over the next 3 years just to meet the enhanced Basel III norms. Clearly, this places a huge demand on the government, which plans to hold on to its majority stake in PSU banks, something it plans to tide over by setting up a holding company for capitalizing state-owned banks.
Net, it seems like something which can probably alleviate the capital pressure on the government-owned banks a little bit more. Of course, it can't be overdone by leverage, because then we will tend to assess the quality of capital which is coming into the banks as a relatively low quality.
Bankers, of course, are looking forward to the proposal.
I think this suggestion of a holding company and having opportunity to support the banks and government is committed. Government has, even in the last budget also has mentioned, up to 58% and with the 8% capital, the government is committed to provide.
Even so, with the banking sector expected to grow at close to 20% to support the credit demands of a growing economy, the government will have its hands full keeping PSU banks well capitalized. And with the structure of the proposed holding company still a matter of much debate, relief might be a while away. Simran Gill and Anirudh Ghosh, ET Now, Mumbai.